Have you ever woken up from a dream that felt so real it took you a moment to remember where you were? Or maybe you've noticed that after a stressful day, your dreams become more vivid and intense. This isn't a coincidence. It's a sign that your brain is entering one of its most fascinating states, REM sleep. While deep sleep is about fixing the body, REM is about restoring the mind. It's the final stage in our nightly cycle, and it's where our creativity and emotional resilience are born. If you find yourself feeling moody, forgetful, or stuck on a difficult problem, you might be missing out on this mental sharpen phase. Today, we're exploring the world of REM and how to protect your morning window of rest. So, what does it look like when the brain goes to the movies? REM is also known as paradoxical sleep because your body looks still, but your brain is incredibly active. Inside your head, your brain waves look almost identical to when you're wide awake. They are fast, jagged, and energetic. But here is the strange part. While your brain is firing, your body goes into a state of temporary paralysis. This is nature's way of making sure you don't actually act out your dreams while you're in bed. Your eyes flicker rapidly under your lids, and your heart rate and breathing become less predictable, sometimes speeding up as you navigate a dream. It's a high-energy state of mind protected by a perfectly still body. Think of REM sleep as your brain's overnight therapy session. During this stage, your brain processes the emotions and stresses of the day. It's during REM that the sting is taken out of difficult memories. Your brain separates the raw emotion from the event, allowing you to wake up with a fresh perspective. If you've ever noticed that things don't seem quite as bad after a night of dreaming, that's your REM sleep at work. It acts as a safety valve for your mental health, helping you stay balanced and emotionally resilient so you can handle whatever the world throws at you tomorrow. While deep sleep cleans the brain, REM sleep organizes it. This is your internal architect at work. During the day, you take in thousands of bits of new information. During REM, your brain decides what to keep and where to file it. But it does more than just store memories. It connects them. REM is where your brain links new ideas with old ones, which is why we often wake up with the solution to a problem that felt impossible the night before. This is the stage that fuels your creativity and helps you master new skills, from learning a language to perfecting a golf swing. Beyond emotions and memory, REM sleep plays a vital role in your executive function. This is the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and reading social cues. During this stage, your brain fine-tunes your ability to recognize expressions and understand the intentions of others. When you are deprived of REM, you become more likely to misinterpret people's emotions or react impulsively. It's like your social radar gets recalibrated every morning in those final hours of sleep. Protecting your REM sleep ensures that you show up as the best, most composed version of yourself in every interaction. How much dream time is enough? For most of us, REM should account for about 20 to 25% of our total sleep. In an 8-hour night, that's about 2 hours of dreaming. But here is the critical difference from deep sleep. REM is back-loaded. Your longest and most restorative REM cycles happen in the second half of the night, specifically in those final 2 hours before you wake up. This is why hitting the snooze button or cutting your sleep short to 6 hours is so damaging. You aren't just losing sleep, you are cutting off nearly half of your total REM time. Understanding your REM sleep used to be a mystery, but we're changing that with the energyBand. Because REM is so dependent on your internal clock, the energyBand focuses on your circadian alignment score. It tracks your body temperature trends throughout the night. Since your body stops regulating its own temperature during REM, the band can detect exactly when you enter this stage by looking at your thermal stability and heart rate variability. It's like having a dashboard for your dreams. If the band sees that you are waking up too early and cutting off your REM, it can suggest a shift in your schedule to help you capture those valuable morning cycles. If you want to maximize your REM sleep and wake up feeling mentally sharp, try these 3 steps. The alcohol rule. Try to avoid alcohol in the evening. Alcohol is the single biggest REM killer. It might help you fall asleep, but it fragments your sleep in the morning, exactly when your REM is trying to happen. The morning light. Get bright sunlight as soon as you wake up. This sets the clock in your brain, ensuring that 15 hours later, your body knows exactly when to start the transition into dream-heavy sleep. Protect the final hour. Avoid setting an abrupt, loud alarm if you can. If you can wake up naturally or with a gradual light-based alarm, you're much more likely to complete that final, most important REM cycle of the night. REM sleep isn't just about dreaming. It's about the quality of your waking life. It's the foundation of your creativity, your mood, and your ability to connect with others. By protecting these final hours of the night, you are investing in a clearer, sharper, and more vibrant version of yourself. Start paying attention to the second half of your night. Use the energyBand to find your patterns, and remember that a brighter tomorrow is often built in the dreams of today. Sleep well, and I'll see you in the next video.